So after we released this video, going over the new clone DZ03, we've had a lot of questions, and I would like to answer those in this quick video. This tool is designed to use the original dot projector on the front-facing camera assembly and take it from a non-working state to a working state. So in copying over the code to the tag-on flex, we are not replacing the front-facing camera assembly. We are simply using the original front-facing camera assembly. There are a few scenarios where this tool will not be effective. Those will be if the front-facing camera assembly has been replaced with a non-original to that specific phone, then it won't work. This tool only works if it is the original front-facing camera assembly to that specific phone. It will also not be effective if there is physical damage to the component. If the cable has been damaged, cut, torn, punctured, this will not work. Or if there has been corrosion from water damage that's preventing the data from being read, this will also not work. In both of those scenarios, that doesn't mean that the phone can't regain Face ID functionality, but that will only be determined through the method of soldering, by removing the dot projector flex from the crystal, removing any shorts caused by the corrosion, and soldering the dot projector back onto either another original flex, or going through the process of running a jumper and using Qianli's Face ID flex cable with their ID Face tool to regain Face ID functionality. I'd say that 90% of the cases that I see with Face ID issues are the issues where it'll say true depth camera not functioning. This is what that tool is for, to be able to fix those issues that basically seem to come out of nowhere. This isn't to fix components that have seen physical damage. I'd say a small minority of the cases where Face ID is no longer functional have come from some form of damage. The majority of them are going to be fixed with this tool. There are a couple things to note during the repair. In almost every single scenario, the tag-on flex is going to need additional room, so the battery inside the phone will have to be fully removed so that it can be shifted over to the far end of the phone to allow extra space between the battery and the board for the tag-on flex and all the folds that it needs. Inside the box, when you get it, you'll find that there's QR codes that'll lead you to a step-by-step process created by Qianli on how to use the machine, although you can refer to the previous video for every single step. And it also shows you how each individual tag-on flex is folded in accordance to the flex cable that it corresponds. Hopefully this has helped answer the majority of those questions. If you have any other questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks a ton for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.